Hey guys, don't mind me, I look crazy, I know, but crazy I will look no more because I'm actually taking these braids out, like, right now. That's what you're watching me do. Like, I'm gonna do that right now. I mean, yeah, they don't look that bad, but I just played basketball today and my head's already starting to itch and I'm not with it. I was actually not even gonna film a video. I was just gonna do it, but then I was like, oh wait, I should film a video because I also wanted to do another video, but I wanted to do a video with the braids and tell you, like, things people don't tell you about braids before you get them. But I decided I'm just gonna do that now while I'm taking them out. But yeah, let's just start because it's already like 9 o'clock and I have school tomorrow. It's like Sunday, so. Got my scissors, got my braids, and I got a bag. I don't even, what else do you need? I didn't want to do this in my room because it was gonna make a mess, but I don't want to do it in the living room because everyone's gonna be like out there. Wow. The first cut. I feel like I'm so scared. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna cut down here. I'd rather be safe than sorry, honestly. I'm not trying to cut my real hair because it kind of would defeat the purpose if I were to grow out my hair with this stuff just to cut it off. Even one of my friends said I usually look Dominican and these braids make me look like 100% black. I was like, wow, thank you. I mean, I'm black, but I usually look Dominican because of my curly hair, apparently. Black people can't have curly hair. I'm not Dominican at all. But yeah. Oh, this is a little annoying. I should get like a little tailed comb to take this out. I just want to see how actually, yeah, this would help me to see how long my hair actually is, so I can try to maybe cut a little higher. Cause, oh my god, I don't want to start all the way at the bottom. I heard stories of people taking out the braids, and they said they had to stop. Take it out the next day. Like, I'm like, oh my god, drag. Okay, so things people don't tell you about braids. Taking showers is like more complicated than just taking a regular shower without braids. You have to decide, do you want to wet your braids or not? I personally, okay, wow, I never soaked this whole thing because I know that once you soak it, it's like a thing. Like, it's not gonna dry for like hours. And I was like, I don't know about that. Yeah, that's not, I don't think that's worth it. Another thing people don't tell you about braids is that no matter how much you try to take care of it, they get messy on their own. First, what started was these. Just from them touching each other and from them sitting on my shirts and my clothes and me flipping it around and stuff, they got messy on their own. That is annoying. That's not even fair. Okay, this is really naughty about these braids. I can't even tell where my hair is. Another thing people don't tell you about braids. I can't say it's a myth, but I mean, like, I don't know if it was because I was watching sponsored videos or not. I watched a lot of videos that people were sponsored by Shea Moisture, and they was doing that braid collection, and they were like, da da da, braids start to smell, and I was like, bruh, how your braids smell if you're taking care of it? No, because I'm really confused. Oh my god. Wow, look at my hair. Oh, I can cut higher. Ew. What was I saying? Oh yeah, braids don't smell. Well, my braids don't smell anyways. I don't know what that was about. Hey now. See, I don't know where my hair came down to in the braid, but you see how it's like right there. So where the braid's about to end, and then like 5 or 6 inches up higher. But when it's braided, it also scrunches up, so maybe it's like up here. I don't know if I want to take the risk. Okay, maybe I can cut right here. But ew, first braid down. Oh, I'm just poking it and pulling it down. Nice. Hey, we gotta find shortcuts. Work smarter, not harder. Oh yes, another thing. They're so heavy. Like, okay, so I heard they're heavy, right? Heard they're heavy, but drag. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, so it's heavy. Braids are heavy, especially like my braids since they're bigger. I don't know if they're bigger and that makes any difference, or I don't know. And like if I try to put it up in a bun, that's a no. Whenever I put it up in an up-down do, I can only keep that up for a certain amount of time before it starts to give me a headache. I'm talking like straight up on top of my head. Yeah, that's annoying. In a ponytail, it's like, okay. A low ponytail in the back of my head, like right here, that's okay. But if I try to make it a high ponytail, oh my god, I tried to do a high ponytail one time, and it was so cute. Like every time I moved my head, it was like, phew! It was cute. But like after like 20 minutes, that's when it was like, ow. Like it literally started hurting and I was like, what is up? That's not cute. Oh. Ooh. Okay, what's that? Okay, I'm just gonna take that. Oh, why is it stuck in my head? Ooh. 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 Oh, build up? Build up? Oh my gosh, I didn't even know I had build up. Oh, and maybe some of the gel that she put. And plus I put gel on my edges, so that probably contributed. Another thing people don't tell you is that braids be coming for you all the time. They be backlashing you. They be hitting you in the face. It's fun when you do it to other people. Like, it's really fun when you do it to other people. But then when you're doing it to yourself, like 20 times a day, it's not cute. After a while it stops being funny, but it's cute though. I love how my hair grew, and the reason I'm taking it out now is because I don't want it to start growing too much and it end up hanging, like the braids end up weighing it down, because then you can end up damaging your hair like that. Like, it's putting a lot of tension on your hair and stuff, and that's just not good. That's not cute. That's not a look. That's not a move. And plus you're just gonna look crusty and dusty. And what I recommend, if you can't like afford to keep up with like braids over and over, learn to do that yourself, bruh. Mad people know how to do it. And plus, if you don't know how to do it, look up on YouTube. Literally, it's like thousands of people teaching people how to do braids themselves. So you can easily teach yourself how to do braids. But yeah, that's all I want to say on that. Ooh, third braid down. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna do this like myself, and then I'll come back while I'm about to finish up and give you some more of my like tips and stuff. Okay. Hey guys, so I finished the most of my head. I only have these two braids left, so I'm gonna tell you the last parts of like my final thoughts. So another thing that I think people don't tell you before you get braids is that they make you hot. They make you, I mean, like, we had one hot day, one in New York, and it was like a little warm, and I had on just like a shirt, it's like a crop top and some pants, and like the braids being on my back. Oh my god, it was so hot. So I was like, wow. So I don't know how people be getting braids. Well, they get like short braids, I think, but braids like on vacation and be like wearing it, I don't know, like nah. Or like braids in the summer, no, that's a dub, because they are heavy and hot and they make you hot. And if you sweat too much while you're in them, I think that's how they would start smelling. Actually, that's probably how they start smelling. And they get itchy when they're like that too. I don't think you really need to wash braids too much. Like, I don't know, I didn't really wash it and I feel fine. Like, my hair is not like this, it doesn't feel like super itchy, only because I keep it moisturized maybe. Oh no, I'm not gonna get to finish it. Okay guys, bye. It's about to die. It's about to run out of space. Okay, so I was gonna, okay, this is sideways. I was gonna just leave it and finish it another time, but then I remembered I have a phone. Oh yeah, when people say it gets looser and stuff, it does. It does get looser, so it's not as tight when you want to style it. But at the same time, like, you gotta find that peak moment when the braids are just right, just loose enough, because after a while, once it gets too loose, it starts to hurt again. Because like, if your braid is like this far from your head, because this is all your hair that's growing back, then it's gonna hurt, because it's basically feels like someone's just holding onto your head and pulling your hair. Yeah, just, you gotta know when to take it out, bro. You know when to let it go. Like this, I probably could have like stayed another week. I just didn't feel like, you know, doing that for another week when I know it's not like tip top fresh, and it's like, you know, take those out anytime soon. Like, you know, that's okay. I'll just take it out. I miss my hair. That's like one of the other reasons. Like, I miss my curly hair. I watched like little curly hair tutorials on Instagram. Like, you know, when people do like their hair and stuff, I see it and I'd be like, oh my god, I miss my hair being like that. I miss being able to touch my hair and be like, just fluff it and stuff. Oh yes, another thing people don't tell you. So the great excuse for people getting box braids is that they don't have to do their hair, This is still a lot. This is still a lot of stuff to do. I mean, if you don't want to take care of it, I guess it's not a lot, but I take care of it, so it's a lot. I have to moisturize it. I moisturize it every night and everything. I have to wrap it up or like tie it up or whatever. And then having to lay edges in the morning, you know how long laying edges takes? Okay, this is the last one. Ow, ow. Wow. Bag full of hair. Literally. That could have been bad. Well, this is a big bag of hair that I will be donating to charity. Kidding. Oh my god. I can't take out my hair. But I noticed I have some buildup at certain parts of my hair. I don't know if you can see any of it. Like, oh, you see it? You can see it right here. You see it? I have some buildup. Oh my gosh. I was like, wow, I didn't see that coming. But either way, Let's take it out. Let's see my hair. Ouchie. Oh my god, it feels so good to touch my scalp. Oh my gosh. Do I have anything else to say about braids? Oh, I guess if you got a style, like if you braided it into a style like a bun or anything, I guess it would be hard to sleep with, but my braids weren't that hard to sleep with. I don't sleep on my back. Maybe that is a thing. I think if you sleep on your back, it might be a little rough, but I sleep on my sides, so if it was like big right here, I'm sleeping on the sides, so it doesn't really affect me. I don't know. Braids aren't that uncomfortable to sleep with. Just edges. It's like, okay, so I'm laying my edges, but then when there's like all this extra stuff, like where'd I do that? I put it on here, and then when I brush it onto this, then it's still sitting there. Like, where am I going? Nowhere. Like, usually if like my hair is out like this, I could just brush it up into this. Oh my gosh, I could just touch my hair. It feels so good. Wow, my hair feels moisturized too. And it smells so good. Wow. My hair looks pretty good. I can't wait to wash it. And you know the sucky part about this whole thing? I never got to use this. I think I'm gonna return it. Cause it says great for weaves, braids, locks, and extensions. And I'm not gonna end up, like, I'm not gonna get that anytime soon again. So I probably should return it. I really want to use it though. But either way, it's fine. I'll figure it out. Would I get box braids again? I probably would. I thought it was really cute. I liked how they looked on me. I liked how I could style them. Like, I liked when I put them back and they looked all like, and I liked them being really long so I can have like a really long hair. I was like, ew. Oh my god, my hair, it feels like nothing's here. It feels like I'm bald. I feel bald. Oh my god, I can do this without falling back. Ew. Oh my gosh, my hair is so light, so free. Oh wow, it's nothing there. It's hitting my face, but it's not slapping my face really hard. Celebratory sweethearts. Okay, 2 more. And they're sour. A lot of them fell. I was gonna get one. Let me think if there's anything else I'm gonna tell you guys. Okay, I did that hot water thing. I ended up doing that, boiling hot water, and then dipping the bottom of my braids in to try to straighten out the braid so it didn't look so frizzy. Then that didn't work. I knew it was like, it sounded sketchy. It didn't sound like it was gonna work in the first place. Cause I mean, like the way she did it, everything was wounded together all nice, and then she just hot watered it up and the braids look good. Okay, cool. What am I supposed to do when the little pieces are falling out? Hot water it up. That literally made all the hairs that escaped from the braid go straight down onto the braid. I said, that's not what I wanted. Not that I thought anything different was gonna happen. People just kept telling me that. They was like, oh, Tiani, just put it in hot water and it'll make it better. No, it's still there. I mean, I guess it's better because it's not sticking out like this. It's like this. But it's still there. Like, I want the braid to be by itself. I don't want it to be by itself wrapped around strings of hair. Like, ew, that's gross. So I'd rather just cut it off. Oh my god, my hair looks so cute right now. Hey, I should blow dry my hair and braid it. I should do more things with my hair. Honestly, I don't do anything with my hair. Like, I never tried anything after blow drying it. When I blow dry it, I only blow dry it for straightening it. I never blow dry it to do things with it. So I should try that one day. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff I can do with my hair that I haven't tried. Ew. But anyways, I think I hit everything I wanted to say about braids. Hopefully, I'm probably gonna remember some stuff later. If I do, I'm gonna actually pause myself right here and I'm gonna say some stuff on the screen. So just pause the video and read what I have to say if there's anything else. So right now, here we go. You read it? Okay, great. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Oh my god, I love my hair. I literally love my hair right now. Okay, except for that, I can't wait to watch it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my last video if you haven't watched that. But yeah, that's all I have to say. So I'm just gonna wrap it up. Thank you for watching. Bye.